Well, this morning's work, I was able to get one side leveled. I got to work on the other side. Problem is, I've got 90 degrees in the shade in the afternoon. So it's not the easiest thing to work on right now. But we'll get there. As you can see, it's level there. It's a 20-foot run. But I got to figure out what I'm going to cover the floor with. All of this has to be covered so there's not a bunch of dirt. Which I have something out there. You can see it lying up there. It's like a thick cloth or something. Forget what it's called. It's put on roofs in really wet climates. It'll preserve the roof. But, yeah, you can see the dust blowing in here. You can see the drop there. So I got to figure out what I'm going to do there. Well, that's how it goes. You think you're going to get more done than you do. And it's hard to work in 90-degree weather. I'm not used to it. I'm used to being on the coast where it's 60 degrees out. But I'll figure it out. Afternoon update. Maybe one later.